to start with voice. As you have studied in 8th also, first we will have a quick recap, then we will study in detail about voice. Voice. There are two ways to express an action of an object in relation to its subject. First is active voice and second is your passive voice. Now, what exactly active voice means? In active voice sentence, the subject performs the action stated by the verb. For example, you have he sings a song. Now, he is your subject and the action is the verb, that is sings. Now, he sings a song. Right? When the subject is in the first position, this sentence is known as active voice. Now, active voice, how we refer. Now, voices refers to the arrangement of the subject and object in a sentence along with the change in the tense in the clause. For example, the student finished the exercise. Now, finish, it shows the past tense. Previously, you saw a simple present tense sentences. So, that means when there is a change in the tense, there is also change in the statement, but the subject remains the same. That is the subject. Here the subject is the student. Now, second is your passive voice. Now, what is exactly passive voice? In passive voice sentence, the subject is acted upon the verb. Now, Sami helps Asad, or Asad is helped by Sami. Now, in the first sentence, what is the first sentence? It is active voice. The subject is Sami, the object is Asad, the action is helps. Now, when Asad comes in the place of the subject comes in the place of an object. Here, Asad is helped by Sami. One more example I will give. For example, the man killed the tiger. That is your active voice. The man killed the tiger. If I say the tiger was killed by the man, that is your passive voice. Now, where we use of active and passive voice. The active voice is mostly used in writing because it gives a direct and more concise meaning. Now, passive voice is used sometimes due to the following reason. Which are the reason? Let's see. When intentionally we are hiding the subject of the sentence, women were not treated as equal. When passive voice better explains the thought of a sentence, cloth is sold in a yard. When subject is not exactly known, his watch was stolen. His watch was stolen. The watch is stolen. Okay, the action is there, but whom the watch is stole, who the watch stole, we don't know. So here this also is that his watch was stolen by someone, by thief or whatever. The subject is not there. Okay. Now, let's see the fundamental rules for changing from active to passive voice. See, the place of the subject and object are interchanged. You know better. After that, we will study about the tense. First, see example. I write a letter. Now, when you change into the passive voice, the letter comes in the place of the subject. Letter is written by me. This is your passive voice. Now, the word by is used before a subject in a sentence in a passive voice. For example, say active voice. He sings a song. Here, he is your subject, song is your object, the work which is going on, that is sings, is your verb. Now, when we change into the passive voice, a song is sung by him. Now, the word by is not always used before subject in passive voice. Sometimes the word with, to, or etc. May also be used before subject in passive voice. For example, see, he knows me. I am known to him. We cannot write I am known by him. Okay, that will be wrong. I am known to him. Now, how to change the voice? In exam, you will be given the sentence and you will be asked to change the voice. They won't mention you that which voice it is. You have to find it is in active voice or in passive, then you have to change. First, let us see how you are going to change. Present indefinite sentence, right? When the sentence is in the first form, that is present tense. First, see, verb, subject plus verb, that is s or es, and object. What will be your answer? That is passive. First is object. If it is in singular, you are going to write is. If it is in plural, you are going to write are. And if it is in the first person, that is am plus the verb third form, by plus subject. Let us see the example. She drives my car. Now what will be the passive? My car is driven by her. Now if the sentence in present continuous form, that is are plus verb first form plus ing and object, what will be in the passive? Object is am plus being and verb in that third form, by plus subject. For example, I am writing a letter. Writing, that is in ing form. Now subject is I, letter is your object, interchange it. A letter. Now it is in first person singular, therefore a letter is being written by me. Now here I want to tell you one thing. For example, if there is s, letters, I am writing letters, so what will be there? A letter won't come. Letters are being written by me. Okay, now move further. Present perfect sentence. Now in present perfect, has or have plus verb third form. In passive voice, has or have plus been. In continuous we are writing being, and in perfect we are writing been. Okay, now let's see the example. She has finished her work. Her work has been finished by her. Now when the sentence in the past, simple past tense, that is verb will be in the second form, same way answer will be there. She killed see the example. She killed a snake. Snake was killed by her. Now next past continuous, same way, was or were, singular was, plural were, verb will be again ing, answer same way, was or were plus being, and verb will be in the third form, by and subject. He was driving a car. A car was being driven by him. That is your past continuous sentence. Now past perfect sentence, same way, had will be there, verb will be in the third form only, answer also, that is in the passive also, the verb will be in the third form. Only difference is you are going to add being. As I told you before, being, now been. They had completed the assignment. The assignment had been completed by them. That is your perfect. Now future, will or shall, verb again in the first form, passive voice, will or shall. Here you are going to write be, verb third form, by an object. Active voice, I shall make a table. A table will be made by me. You are going to write will be. Now future perfect, subject will, shall, have plus verb. What are you going to write? Have been. You will have started the job. The job will have been started by you. That is your passive voice. Okay, students, in the next thing we will try with the more examples, and I will give you example also, and we will discuss the changing the whole process which we have learnt in the sentence form. Thank you.